Hey guys, Mike here. I wanted to show you real quick how to do a quick tutorial about neon glowing text and flashing kind of like LED neon sign. This is the effect that we're going to get down in the lower right hand corner down here. It looks pretty good when added to some other stuff, and it kind of flashes just like that. So we're going to get to it. This is my first tutorial, so stand by. We're going to have a black background just to make it look good here. And then we're going to insert a text box. And I'm going to put dash, Neon dash. And we're going to make that so we can actually see it. So we're going to make the font white. And it's going to look just like that. Now we're going to go up and change our font to neon light, which is you can download it from anywhere you want on the internet, which is cool. And now we'll go over our object formatting. So first we have no fill, no line. Effects are none, 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 and none. Very simple. Here we go over to size and properties, and everything is the same. Nothing is different. You can move it however you'd like. Here's our text options. The glow, we want a red glow, or you can do whatever color you want. I'm going to choose, let's do bright green. Here we go. There we go. That's going to look good. Size 10 point. Transparency, you want 10 or 8 or 7 point, doesn't matter. Transparency, you want up a little bit higher so it looks pretty good into the high 30s. And now we're going to go into your object formatting. Make sure you get this selected, add an effect. We want bold flash. And we'll go into and you can actually, it's cool too. You could do different, with that neon light font, you could do different capital or lowercase. That's lowercase now. But I just use this so you can see the difference. Capital and then lowercase. So you could go, here's your effect options here. We already got the bold flash going. So I'm going to do all at once timing. I'm going to do slow, repeat till next click, and I'm going to start with the previous. So that's how it looks there. And then what we'll do is we'll just put a little reflection on it. You can turn it down a little bit so it looks a little more realistic. And that should be your neon light. Hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. If you did, I don't do too many tutorials like this. I do mostly Bigfoot stuff. But if you like Bigfoot, subscribe to the channel. Or if you like this, give us a subscribe too. Appreciate you watching, and have a good day, everyone.